Just wanted to make this video on the little tool that I use. Had a Mercedes here, brake line repair. This was from Inline Tube, TFL 16. It's a nice little tool, real small. You can do the job on the car. I had really high hopes for this tool. I still like this tool. So I'm not going to dog this tool. This tool did not work for me on the Mercedes car with the Mercedes factory brake line. But I had to see, man, the tool had decent reviews, so it has to work for somebody. So here was the issue that I had. As you can see, I marked this brake line. You see that line there? And look how much it pushed out. I tried every trick in the book. I put a clamp up top to close that gap, put it one on the bottom, locked it down with an impact. It didn't matter what I did, it still pushed back. So, and I believe that's because it has such a thick protective coating on it. You're never going to get this to stay in place. So I would take it apart to show you, but there's no point. But what I did do is I got a piece of brake line from the hardware store, parts store, and it does not have that kind of crazy protective film on it. And you can see where it pressed in the tool, but I got a nice bubble flare out of that same tool. There's my fitting. I mean, that's sufficient for a good seal. That's a nice bubble flare. Very easy. And it worked with this tool. So it's going to come down to what line are you using when you do the job and what's going to work. But what I ended up having to use was this tool, an ATD tool, not a very expensive toolkit. It was not fun doing the on-car ones, but you know, we did make do, and it did work. It gave me the right outcome. The car's fixed. There's no leaks. So, but again, when I go in and I go to do another one of these lines, I'm not going to get the factory line. I'm going to just get a good quality steel line tube to do the job so that I can use a tool like this. It's extremely handy, portable, easy to use for the next one. So again, if you were considering this tool, it's 50 bucks. I'd buy the tool. Just consider the line that you're going to use so that it actually works for you.